Hey, we're going to try this again, live dig. I think I may have a wheat scent here. We'll see what it is. Yes, indeed. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is a wheat scent. So I'm happy about that. Can't get a date on it. It's so dirty right now. But at least, my friends, it wasn't a jinx. So I'm going to do some more hunting. Hopefully I'll have a live dig on some silver for you. Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, June 11th. As you can see, it's a dreary day out, but these squirrels are still trying to get to my feeders. And these are fun to watch. These are Yankee Droll feeders, and when a squirrel gets on there, they're completely squirrel proof. There's a spring-loaded base and they flop to the ground, so it's really funny to watch. But I'm going to swing over and show you my finds from my last 3 hunts. I wasn't able to get any silver in these last 3 hunts, but I did get some, well, I got some wheats and an interesting item. As you can see, I got a lot more junk than that, but I just wanted to use this for my video. I did get a mason jar with the ceramic lining. I got a nice pile of clad. I'm guessing it's probably, oh, I would say at least $3 or $4 worth. And I did pull up 17 wheats. Most of them appear to be from the 40s and 50s. I got to get them cleaned up though. I'll put them in my rock tumbler with some media and get them cleaned up. Like I said, no silver, but I did find this unusual token, and I'm hoping that you can read it. It says product of General Motors, and when you flip it over, it's harder to see. Sorry about that. But it says, well, yeah, you can make it out a little bit. It says Pontiac, Chief of the Sixes. And you can see the Native American head depicted, and it's got feathers and that, kind of hard to see. But around the bottom it says Chief of the Sixes. And I did a little research on this particular token, and this dates back to the 30s. These were a promotional item that were given out to promote the Pontiac 6-cylinder engines. So, never seen one. I'm glad I got one. Hope everybody has a good week. Get out there and hunt, find some good stuff, and I look forward to seeing your videos. Thanks for watching.